Once a father and son went to the temple. Suddenly, son shouted after seeing the pillars of lions at the entrance of the temple. Run, Dad, or those lions will eat us. Dad consoled him by saying, they are just statues and won't harm us. Son replied, if those lion statues won't harm us, then how could statues of God give us blessing? On hearing this, the father wrote in his diary, I am still speechless on my child's replies and have started searching for God in human instead of statue. I didn't found God, but I found humanity.